Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change system sound volume in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. Suppose if you are experience low volume or high volume in your phone, you can always adjust the system sound. Okay, for that what you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select system sound, and here you can adjust the system sound volume. Okay, suppose if you experience low volume, just you can increase the volume by moving this point to the right side. Okay, if you move towards right side, it will increase. Okay, this is maximum system sound. Okay, suppose if you want to minimize, if you want to reduce system sound, that is if you experience high volume, if you feel high volume in your phone, just you can move this bar, this point to the left side, so that system sound will reduce. Okay, so in this way you can easily set at a desired level for system sound of phone Samsung Galaxy S24 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.